In this video, we are going to discuss a simple introduction to Deno. Before we move on, please kindly subscribe by clicking the subscribe button for more video. What's Deno? Deno is a JavaScript or TypeScript runtime with security by default. Deno tends to substitute Node.js with a simpler, modern, and more secure runtime. Deno is built on V8, Rust, and Tokio, a Rust asynchronous runtime environment. It aims to be a productive and secure scripting environment for the modern world of programming. Deno is for you. What can Deno do? Deno is a JavaScript or TypeScript runtime environment. This means that you can use Deno to process server-side actions by writing JavaScript or TypeScript. Think of anything that other server-side programming languages can do. Deno can serve web pages dynamically like PHP, Node.js, ASP, and other server-side languages. Deno can create, open, read, write, delete, and close files on the server. Deno can be used to build command line-based applications. Deno can interact with any kind of database. Why use Deno? Think of anything that other server-side programming languages can do, then think security, simplicity, and modernization with Deno. Security by default. No file, network, or environment access unless explicitly enabled. It is a TypeScript runtime, which means it supports TypeScript out of the box. Comes with a single executable. Deno ships with built-in tools that make code inspection and formatting easy. The Deno Info and Deno FMT. You can bundle scripts into a single JavaScript file and more. Who can learn Deno? Deno can be learned by anyone, provided that you have the basic knowledge of JavaScript, especially about async or await. What did you know about Deno that I didn't mention? Let us know by commenting. Visit https://litydevdeno/index.html to learn full Deno tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this post. Thanks for watching. If you find this article useful, please share with friends, like and subscribe for more videos.